So these are the infants to 2 years, 3 years old khussay. I'm just going to measure each one of this, and you guys can take a picture and send it to us. These are all $15, $10. These white ones are $10. The rest are $15. These are the unisex khussay. So um, the white ones are just for boys. The rest of them is for either boy or girl. So this is size 5 because there's not enough space. So I would suggest you to, if your child's size, the feet is 5 inches, then just this size is going to be perfect on it. So this is 5 inches long. This one is 5 inches long. This black one, this is 5.5 or 5.75 inches. This one is 5 inches long. This white one, this is size 3 and is 4.5 inches long. You just tell us the number. This is again size 3. So this one is size 6 on this design. This is 5.5 inches. This one, this is 6 inches long. This one, it says size 6, and this is 5.5 inches. This is number 5. This one is number 4, size 4. And this is 4.75 inches long. This one is size 6. It's size 5 inches, or I would say 5.25 inches. Alright guys, so I have showed all the numbers again. These white ones, they are very good for boys, especially if you have like a white shalwar kameez and you're looking for some infant khussas. So we have quite a lot of it in this color. The rest of them, these are unisex. So you can choose, just take a picture, tell us the size or the inches of your child feet, and we will give it to you. These ones are $10 each. These ones are $15. But if you buy 2 pair of shoes, 2 pair of the khussas, then we will give you for $10 each. Okay, now let's talk about adults sandal slipper. So the summertime is coming, and these are going to be very good for that time of period. Hopefully everything will be fine and we will be attending barbecue parties and get-togethers, hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, first, these are all $15, and if you buy 2, these are for $25. So let's start with this one. This is size 40. I'm going to show you with the inches tape as well. So this is the size for this sandal or slipper. So the next one is this black. It's velvet with the studs on it. This is like a go-to slipper, I would say, because you can wear this with kind of any outfit. All right, let's measure this, and here you go. Next one is this one. It has a furry top and it has a pearl in it, and the size is 7. Let's see. Now this one, it looks something like this. The size is 10. Next one is this. Again, it has a greenish fur, and the size for this, it doesn't say the size, so there you go. Next is this one, and the size for this one is Now we have these two. So this is a really nice brown color. This is size 8. This is velvet and it has pearls in it, and it's size 7. These ones, they look like worn out, but if someone's going to buy like 3 pairs, then we'll give these ones free. If you want to still buy it, it's just for $10. And this is size. Now let's talk about these kundan khussas. Then we have this one. Then we have this here, and this cut work khussa, and this very nice casual khussas as well. So the kundan ones are for $30. This one and that one is for $25. So this one and this one is for $25, and these two are for $20. But if you buy the combo, we will give you $5 discount on the total purchase. Now let's talk about the sizes we have here. So this one is size 10. This one is size 8. This one is size 7. This one is size 39. Okay, so this one is size 9. This one is size 9. This one is size 10. And this one is size 10 as well. For more inquiries, please contact Kirat or Mona. The numbers are appearing on the screen, and you can go to our page styleoblender on Facebook to see our other products. You can follow us on Instagram as well, but we are more active on Facebook page. Anyways, that's it for this video. This was shoes or khussay special. We are giving away these as on sale prices. So you guys take care, and we'll see you hopefully. Bye.